Hello, today I would like to show you how to make guidelines for mandala painting. First of all, we will find a center, then we will draw the biggest circle, then we will draw a baseline which divides a circle into two halves. Then we will use a protractor and mark the angles every 20 degrees. This is 20 degrees angles and this is 30 degrees angles. Then we will connect two dots which are opposite and we will draw the lines. So, first of all, we have to find a center of the canvas. We connect diagonal corner, draw a short line, and then keep the ruler in the opposite diagonal corner. This is the center. We can erase this line. We need only the center. Now we will draw the biggest circle with this compass, with white chalk pencil or watercolor pencil. This pencil is better to erase. So, this is the biggest circle of our mandala. Now we will draw lines that divides a circle in two halves. I can use this short ruler. This is the baseline, which divides a circle in two halves by drawing a line. Now we will use a protractor and I will mark every 30 degrees. There is a center. I will put it to the center of a canvas. And now every 30 degrees I mark 30, 60, 90, 120, 115. Now we can turn the canvas and do the same thing again. Every 30. 30, 60, 90, 120, 115. We can check the line. Now we can connect the opposite dots One is above the baseline and one is below the baseline. And we are going through the center too. Okay, now we have lines, and then we can draw circles. We can do as we want, or we can measure it. I will measure 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we will use compass. We are finished, and now it is prepared for our painting. So good luck and have a nice day.